Good morning, class. Now, today we are going to start with chapter 7, that is Don't Quit. It's a poem written by writer named John Greenleaf White. Now, first of all, I'm going to read this poem and then tell you all what is in this poem. After that, I'm tell you what you have to write in the notebook. Now, when things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is square with twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learn, and many a failures turns about when he might have won, had he stuck it out. Don't give up through the though the pace seems slow. You may succeed with another blow. Often the goal is nearer than it seems to a faint and flattering man. Often the struggler has given up when he might have captured the victor's cup, and he learned too late when the night slipped down how close he was to the golden crown. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt, and you never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far. So stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. It's when things seem worst that you must not quit. By John Greenleaf White. Now, in this poem, Don't Quit, the poet is saying that the willpower is not to give up, especially when the things are going wrong and when someone is seemingly swimming against the tide and when someone is going inside pain. Then the poet is saying that we should not quit from there. We should fight till the end to get the success. This poem reminds us that there are seeds of success in every failure. There are success in each and every failure, and that's why we must not quit. We must not quit from any of the tasks which we have been given. We should go towards the success and we should go uphill and find the success there. We should never quit from anything which we are failing. Now, what you all have to do is you have to write this poem from when things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when roads you are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is square with twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learn, and many a failures turns about when we might have won. Had he stuck it out, don't give up though the pace seems slow. You may succeed with another blow. You have to write this poem till here in your notebooks. After writing till blow, you have to write the name of the poet also. John Greenleaf White. Write the first of all write the poem till blow and then write the name of the poet. After writing this poem in your notebook, you have to write the word meanings also. Trudging, walking on leaf with a effort, walking and with a lot of effort. Queer, strange. Third one is stuck it out, continue doing a difficult little thing till the end. Flattering, moving hesitantly, tint, shade. Now you have to write all these word meanings in your notebooks. And after that, you have to write this true and fill in the blanks also in your notebooks. Read and identify what will help you to succeed in life. Work with your partner and fill in the blanks to complete the word. First one is you should wear dash on your face every day. What should we wear? A smile. Don't worry. Second one is don't worry. Everyone makes a mistake occasionally. Third one is a negative mind will never give you a positive life. Fourth one, make goals and dream big. Fifth one, when you cannot change what happens, you cannot change your attitude towards life. You have to write these five fill in the blanks also in your notebooks, in your homework. Thank you.